An employment contract in Idaho is an agreement between an employer and an employee that outlines terms of employment and compensation for services provided in the state. In this video, we're going to cover the contents of an employment contract, at-will employment laws, taxes, and the minimum wage. What's covered in an employment contract? The document spells out many conditions regarding employment, including employee duties, title, whether the employee is full-time or part-time, employment periods such as at-will or a specified period, pay, benefits, vacation time, leave, and confidentiality. At-will employment laws. Employment contracts can be arranged to start and end during an agreed-upon time frame, but most contracts are at-will, which means that either party may terminate their relationship at any time. There are federal exceptions that prevent employers from firing employees for reasons like discrimination, but depending on state laws, employers may also be subject to public policy, implied contract, and good faith exceptions. Idaho offers all three exceptions to at-will employment. Public policy exception. In Idaho, an employee can't be fired if the termination violates a state policy, such as refusing to engage in illegal activity at the employer's request. Implied contract exception. An employer can't fire an employee when an implied contract, such as oral suggestions regarding job security or procedures, has formed between the employer and the employee, even though no written document exists. Good faith exception. This state exception requires employers to follow a just cause standard, meaning terminating an employee in bad faith is forbidden. Idaho income tax rate. In Idaho, employees pay a variable income tax rate ranging between 1.125 and 6.925%. The amount of tax paid depends on the individual's income. State minimum wages and tax rates change all the time, but we keep this information up to date on our website. For Idaho's most current minimum wages and to get your free Idaho employment contract, click the link below.